There's different ways to lift a slab. You can use the steel piers, which we core 6-inch holes through the slabs. We then drill in helical piers, put a lifting bracket on top of that, and we can actually lift the slab. Those are more of a long-term fix because they go down to solid refusal. The foam is a little bit quicker. We're actually pumping foam under the slab to raise it up off the soil that's under the slab. Different uses of foam or to lift slabs, we can fill voids with foam. We can actually waterproof basements with foam. We have waterproofed elevator shafts with the foam before.